Hello, welcome to my channel. Let's provide answer to this question I had in my inbox. Given that the root of 2m minus 1 plus the root of 2m plus 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. So we have to find the value of m. This is a radical equation. And anytime you are dealing with a radical equation, you make sure you have the equal sign separating the two radical signs, meaning the radical signs will be distributed on both sides of the equal sign for easy calculation. So let's start with that. So in order to do this, we are going to send the last two terms to the other side of the equal sign. Bear in mind that this is negative, it becomes positive. This is already positive, it becomes negative out there. So let's maintain the first term, 2m minus 1 should be equals to 2, then minus root 2m plus what? 1. So all the terms are now having, all the two sides of the equal sign now have the radical sign. So now we can square. We are squaring both sides of the equal sign, meaning this becomes the root of 2m minus 1 all square into bracket 2 the root of 2m plus 1 all square. Don't forget this is binomial term. So it is just like a, let me use minus b all square, which is the multiplication of two binomial. We can multiply it bracket by bracket, or we square the first, meaning a square, twice the product, meaning this is minus, so this time this become minus ab, twice of that. Then you square the last, minus b times minus b, give a positive word, b square. So the same thing, you square the first, twice their product, then we square the last. You can also make it a minus b, then use the FOIL method to expand. So here, since this is only one term squaring, the square cancel the square root, giving rise to 2m minus 1 equals 2. If you square the first, you get 4. Product of this, meaning 2 times the root, twice of that, will give you minus 4, then the root of 2m plus 1, then plus, we square the last, meaning we are squaring this bracket, just like we did here. The square will cancel the square root, giving rise to 2m plus what? 1. So now we can see these terms are free. These two terms are free. We can bring them to the left, or we can still compute them the way they are. So meaning your 2m minus 1, okay, let me just maintain this. I'm bringing the positive 2m here, it become minus 2m. Already I have a minus 1, let me maintain that. This guy is positive, becoming minus 1. This is positive, becoming what? Minus 4, equals to negative 4 the root of 2m plus 1. So we are only transferring 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 to the left hand side so that we can deal with them as one. 2m minus 2m, that will give us 0. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 4, that will give us minus 6. So you have minus 6 is equals to negative 4 the root of 2m plus 1. We can see that we still have what? The radical sign. So we still have to square to eliminate the radical sign. So if you square both sides, it becomes minus 6 all square equals to minus 4 the root of 2m plus 1 all square. We are squaring both sides, so we put all in a bracket. This is just a multiplication. 4 minus 4 is multiplied. So just like 2a all to the power 2, which simply means that you square the first times square the last, or the second term. So we are squaring the negative 4. Then we are squaring the root of 2m plus 1 as well. And we know if you square negative 4, you get negative 16. So here will be 36 equal to 16. Multiplying this will cancel this, giving rise to 2m plus what? 1. Do we get that? So now we can now expand the last term. So 36 equals to 16 times 2, 32 m. 16 times 1 will be 16. Let's group like terms to have 36 minus 16 equals to 32m. This is positive, so become negative at the left hand side. This will give us 20 equals to 32m. But since we are looking for m, so we divide. So we have 20 as the first term divided by 32, 32m divided by 32. So this will cancel. M will be equals to 20 divided by 32. But do we have any common factor there? Yes, we have 4. 4 can go there 5. 4 can also go here 8. So therefore your m is what? 5 on 8. So the value of m that satisfies this relation to be the right to be 0 is just 5 on 8. You can substitute into this place and see if you get the same value as 0. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.